What's up guys, iAppleTuber here, and in today's video I'm going to tell you guys that TuTuApp free version is finally back. So I'll go ahead and show you which apps are free and how you can get it. Just before that, I want to thank you guys for getting me to 35,000. Finally, the channel has actually achieved 35,000 subscribers, so I really want to thank you guys for the continuous support, and hopefully there's more to come for the channel very soon. Let's get started with the tutorial. So all I want you to do is go to the description, click on the first link, and it will take you right here to TuTuApp website. Once here, all you want to do is scroll down. Do not click on download, click on check more apps. So click on check more apps. Once there, this is going to be taking you to another page. Once here, very simple. You want to scroll down. You want to scroll down until you get to the Minecraft right here, the free version. So as you can see, when it says free, that means you can download it for free. So just for the sake of this video, let me download Minecraft to show you. So it will ask you to open this page in iTunes. Click on open. Once there, it will give you the prompt of install. There you go. Click on install and it will start installing. So if you see the word VIP, that means those are paid. But for now, the free versions are working. And the interesting thing about this is every week they're going to add more and more free version. So very soon we're going to have a lot of free apps and games. So scroll down, as you can see, there's a lot more. So just let's go to the game section. And as you can see again, Legend of Pokemon is free, Dragon Ball free, Pokemon Sun Moon free, and Era of Celestials is also free. So if you click on more, there's a lot more as well you can find, and there's a lot more VIP. So you make sure only the free version. As you can see, there's a lot more to see. If you click on loading, there's a lot more free apps you can get. But for now, as I mentioned, there's only 10 apps at a time. But there, as you can see, Minecraft has finished installing. So let's click on Minecraft. It will ask you to go ahead and trust the enterprise certificate. So let's go to settings, general, scroll down to profile and device management, find the profile, which is this one, trust, and it tells you the name of the app as well. Verified. Now we can open the app. Let's go ahead to Minecraft and right there, click on it. And there you go. As you can see, the game will load. Send notifications, click on don't allow if you don't want notifications, and just give it a few seconds, close the ads, and there we go. As you can see, you should be good enough now to start playing the game for free, and it's also in one of the latest versions as well. So if you click on play, it definitely works. You can make your own world and start playing Minecraft. So yes guys, that's it with today's video. I just wanted to bring awareness to you guys that TuTuApp free version is finally back with limited apps as of right now. Soon they're gonna add a lot more. So I hope that you guys did enjoy this video. Much more content dropping very soon. So please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. iAppleTuber here, signing off.